Most students lose easy marks in IGCSE because they don't know how to arrange polynomial terms. So in dealing with questions that come with polynomial, so for instance 3x plus 2 does not equals to 5x. The reason that both 3x and 2, they are not of the same terms. This one is 3x, it is not, the other figure is not carrying x, so it cannot be equals to 5x. So why 3x plus 2x will be equals to 5x? This one is right. So when we are talking about rearrangement of polynomial expression, so we have to start from number one. We start from the collection of like terms. Like for instance, this 3x and 2x, so or 3x minus 2x, they are like terms. Then number two is that in terms of expanding the bracket, what to do to one content of the bracket must be done to the other content of the bracket. And then number three is that you have to arrange from the the one that is carrying higher power to the lowest. So now let's start. For instance, if I say 4 into x plus 6, so is equals to, so if I want to do it, means that I will multiply this x by 4, so it's going to give me 4x, and I will multiply this 6 by 4, so it's going to give me 24. So you can see that whatever I do to any content of the bracket must be done to another content. So it's not that I will multiply only this x by 4 and I will not do it to this one. No, it must be done to both. So now then number two is that if you are dealing with polynomial, you have to know how to collect like terms. For instance now, 3 into 4x minus 7 is equals to 6x. So now if I want to do this type, I will expand the bracket first. So it's going to be 3 times 4x, it will give me 12x. 3 times minus 7 is giving minus 21. So it's going to be 6x. Now the next thing that I will do is that to make this expression equation okay in terms of polynomial, is that I will do is 12x and 6x, it will come here minus 6x, and this 21 will come. So this one will be plus 21. As you can see that I collect the like terms. So this one now equals 6x, while this one equals 21. It's still 21. So you can see that you should be able to know, you should know how to collect like terms. Then another thing that I made mention is you should know how to arrange. You know how to arrange from depending on the power. You start from the one with the higher power to the, for instance, if you are given equation like 4x plus 6x cubed plus 1 plus x squared. So if I want in polynomial, it should be if you want to write it correctly, you have to start from 6x cubed, because this is carrying x with the highest power, followed by x squared. So is the one that follow x cubed. So the next one will not be the one with the lesser power to x raised to power 2, which is 4x plus 4x then plus 1. So that one is the one with the lower, that's how to arrange it. So you start with the one with the highest power down to the one with the lowest power. So now which means that arrangement of polynomial is not difficult at all. Just remember that if you want to do that, you just not know how to do what, know how to arrange your bracket. You know how to expand it, collect like terms, and you do the correct arrangement from the higher power to the lower power. So if this video benefits you, kindly like, share and comment. Bye.